Hey guys, this is the review of the rechargeable LED light. You actually charge this in the cigarette place where you have the phone charger and stuff like that in your car. So it's actually pretty small. The light is real shiny. It's actually very nice. And then so the on and off button is right there on the top. So if you press it once, there's just a regular light. Press it again, it flashes fast. I think you can see that. There you go. And then if you press it again, it flashes a little slower. And then fourth time, it closes it, turns it off. So you put this in your cigarette lighter, and then it just recharges. It's pretty small. I guess you gotta keep it with you. You can keep it in like your pocket or something. So that's my review.